Hey guys, so today I'm gonna work on creating some icons, and I want to also hold on. Okay, I thought that wasn't right. I want to also finish up the inventory system. So I pulled up my tablet for this, and I'm gonna start working on it today. So be good. Okay. Oh, hold up. It fixed. It worked for distance. All right. So, what change this to be? It's gonna be the log. Let me open up the project and see where we're at so far. And your dreams. You know, I'm thinking to do need to create my own thing there. I have this open. My own grass system, because I don't know if I just can't figure it out how to use this properly for the grass. Where's it? Taking this. Right. This. Oh, I was messing with the grass, trying to figure it out. Up, like it's way spaced out, and I have that maxed. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong here. You guys are still in there. Ooh, interested. I'm using the pen tablet to move around. Alright. Oh boy. I should probably share around actually. And thinking what I should get for background music too, but not sure yet. Listening to this, but it doesn't work. Alright, let me so my inventory system looks so far. So far I could pick up stuff, put them somewhere else. I don't know why that's there, but I could split this or take one. Yep, it crashes. Oh, I need to change that actually. So where's my inventory? I was just thinking this was a bit redundant. So having this inventory and then having this thing here being empty. Yeah, it's a bit redundant, so I'm gonna get rid of this. So no more inventory. Then we're just gonna have this empty inventory. So let's grab the. Alright, so shortcuts is gonna be yeah, shortcuts. Cuts. Whatever is in that index. And let's add back our stick to this thing. So stick our name stick. name. And quantity. Quantity. So to be this one for now. Gotta fix all this stuff down here. Change them to inventory slots. Inventory has name. But or no, I gotta change this thing here. So instead of has name, I have to actually do some logic to check if which one of these slots has the item name. So I have an idea how to do that. I should just program it right now. Gotta go. Go in the bed. Go. Come on. Bed. Don't trying to get out of it. Alright, so inventory has name. Instead of this, I have to do a loop maybe. So this one side for a sec. Tablet. So for in inventory slots. And I see if inventory that's I that has what's it name, maybe I'm doing this wrong, but this guy here inventory slot that I quantity okay, increase by quantity, else if inventory slot that I is empty or empty. I think that's the, let me double check. Section. That's what it is. Is empty. Is empty. Just wanna add that item. Inventory slots that I. Let me put in name. Name and quantity. Quantity equals quantity. That should be that. Remove item now. This one I gotta change it to inventory slot as well. I guess I have to pick what slot it is, I guess. Inventory slot, but I'll have to do a loop for this as well. Oh, I have a better idea here. instead of looping, I could just select the slot that I want to delete from. That's one way to do it, but yeah, let me do that. So slot index. There should be an int. Range slot. Name. And I want to delete it. But or remove the amount quantity. Then if slot index slot index name is the quantity less than or equal to 0. You want to erase dot at dot index erase. Oh, I just need to set it to be equal to empty dictionary. What's going on there? Oh man, that's a rabbit. Dog wants to vote. What's wrong here? Set data. Oh, Jimmy, come on. Outside. I'll let this dog out 1 second. Alright, I'm back. Okay. This might crash somewhere, somehow. So add item. Probably should pass the slot index instead of doing a loop here. Or I should, I don't know. Depends. Or I could add an item from a slot. Add item to slot instead of, yeah, I should do that. Let me delete this, or copy, I mean, and make a different add item. Call it to slot. Pass the slot index here. Slot in IDX. Int. So instead of looping, I could just check and put slot index here. But slot index. Slot index again. Alright, so it has name. Alright, I didn't know, some of you guys don't know what I'm doing, but oh, this is my mistake. Save that, and alright, so I'm gonna go over this and explain what's happening here. So we have 29 slots or 30 slots here. and each one is an empty dictionary. And then each one can have a name and a quantity, and then what else? That's about it. And whenever we want to add an item, I could use this slot here to add directly to that, whichever slot I'm adding from. And you would do that in the game itself. Hey, Nuffer. I'm doing good. I haven't streamed since last week, I think. Made a video, but that's about it. Yeah, I'm fixing up the inventory system. So I got rid of I had an extra inventory thing up here. So I got rid of that. So now I just have the inventory slots. Because it's kind of redundant. As I'm saving this anyways. So now each slot would hold the items that you need. So I don't have to be counting and saving enough. You know, splitting them right and all that. So I have all this stuff here already. Yeah, so I'm gonna work on some icons today. So I have my tablet out. I haven't used it in a while. Let me show you. So this is my tablet I'm using, doing all this stuff. The draw if I want. So I'm gonna draw let me do a log. I was gonna start it anyways, but go back here. This. Plus, I want to figure out how to do better grass, because maybe I'm not using this proton scatter right, but it spaces out the grass a lot, and I tell it to be like 10,000 pieces of grass, but it doesn't do it. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Inventory, remove item. Okay, so this I gotta work on. Let's just put 0 for now. Inventory has... Yep, I gotta figure this out. Let me comment all of this stuff out for now. Because inventory doesn't exist anymore. Or I could make a function. Check. I'll go comment. It's good. Hey, what's up, man? Are you the one that commented on one of the streams earlier? Somebody was asking about the same system. Hey, comment this out too as well. I'm gonna come back to all of this a bit. Yeah, let me show you how this looks so far. Oh my god. Alright, let me delete all of this stuff. I don't need to print all this anymore. Alright, let me find out where I have inventory. Okay, set slot empty. Get slot item. Inventory gets sorted. Okay, I think I'm good now. Add item. Add slot item. Okay. Try running it again. Please don't crash again. Swear to God. Alright, see how the grasses are spaced out? I made a little grass thing. It's not perfect. Yeah. I have 10,000 grass to spawn, but they're not separate. They're not spawning 10,000. I don't know why. Still got the fishes in here. I can't pick up any of them now, but wondering if I could program to slap them with the pickaxe, which would be kind of dumb, but it would be realistic. But I would have to have them running away from you too. Could do all of that in a bit. Alright, so today I want to do some icons. I got my display tablet thingy. Let's see. I want to create a log. Not gray. Oops, too thick. I'm thinking how I could export this though after I'm done with it. And I should have used the brush. Undo. So this is one log. And that. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's because I had the collision thing on, I think. Cause it's not much going on in there yet. Gotta make sure I'm on the right layer. And let me make sure this is thick enough. I'm actually using a pen tab. Let me show you this guy. So it looks like it's doing both sides, but I have a script to set it up for one side. Okay, have it yeah, let me turn off this. It's annoying. Collision. That's why it took forever to load. Yeah, here's the script. Okay. That's all I'm pretty much using. Where is it? Alright. So I gotta plan out all the stuff I'm gonna need. I know I need a log, I need sticks, I need icons for the tools, and other stuff, I guess. Food. Rocks, actually. Boulders and rocks. And let me just drop a color on here. Maybe this guy. What am I looking for? Alright, that's good. I'm gonna clean it up a bit. I'm gonna clean that up with the actual black. Or I should use the. I don't know why I kind of hate the dynamics feature with this. I could set it up, but leave it for now. Remember, this is pretty much zoomed in too, so it's gonna look better when they're like smaller. I usually overlook that too. Alright, that's annoying. I need a black regular pen. Nope, I kinda hate that mark. Dang it. Make this browner. Yeah, the inside should be a lighter brown. Oh, there. And a bigger pen. Should be lighter than that, right? Or not, I don't know. It looks like ice cream. What kind of ice cream? I'm gonna fix it up a bit. Just drop some darker colors on it. For example, let me first I grab where is it? Let me grab that color and then just bring down the darkness a bit. And now I could paint that right here. It actually looks like a better brown to use overall, to be honest. Mess that up. Alright, let's see. I should actually draw some lines too. Let me grab that same dark brown, a little bit darker. and make this 1 pixel so I could draw some lines. I don't know if that's bad or good yet, but let's see. Alright, let me zoom out and see how this looks. Look at that, much better. So that's all you're gonna be seeing in the inventory. Well, without the background, obviously, but I could scale it up. And what else? Grab back this color again. I should drop a let me see if that would work. Filter drop shadow. Where's outline? I think there should be an outline somewhere here. Edge detect. Alright. No. Oh, blur, no you did. Isn't there an outline thing in this? I haven't used it in a while. I'm gonna try to drop shadow. Make it not blurry. Then no X. Guess I need a little blur. Oh, I should make this 0 actually. Print at area. What's that? Add. Oh, okay. Alright, let me cancel this. I don't need it. What do you mean, like the swirly stuff? Me could add that swirly. Just wait, that's bad. Hold on. There you go. Wait, I'm trying it again. Does that look good? Can't even see it, so that obvious. Hey Snippy, how's it going? Making some icons for the UI. I wonder if these are too small. I'm gonna test this one out in Godot first. I didn't save it yet. Save as Where's Force of Dreams? I'm gonna make a UI folder. And I call this. I'm using a pen to type to move around something. Let me call it item icons, maybe. Alright, I'm gonna export this one without the background, obviously, but plug. I wanna see how small it looks. Alright, let's look in Things cool. What links? What are you talking, mushroom? On import. Alright, let me find the where is it at? Player, I guess. Odd. 3. Let me move this over so I could see. Good. Some template. Alright, I'm gonna change this to bug. Right. Let me run the scene and see how it looks. So but I have to change that to be a separate scene. Inventory. Oh, those are way too big. Oh man. I guess it's fine, but because it's good to scale now. I said it to be 120. I think that's what it was. Alright, how am I gonna work with this? Did I just scale it down manually? Or I think it's scaled up actually. Hold on, let me find that back. Template, layout. No, it's not scaled. I don't want to just scale it down though. Alright, let me scale it down to like percent. No, 40%. What's bothering me is why is it not copying it? We're scared big leg. Nah, it's not gonna be that kind of system. The what's it called? They call that kind of system anyways. Could just load the HUD actually. I don't have to do everything. Yeah, now it's too small. That's fine, I could just scale it. It's good when they're bigger, so it's better to scale down than to scale up. Well, I guess you guys should know that, right? So maybe let's put it to be 50%. Or 60%. Says. Oh, Diablo have that? That type of inventory system? Alright, that's perfect. Fits right in. So that means its right size is about what 60% of 128. Calculator. Just scale it down and just not have to deal with scaling. Dang, 76. That's a weird number. 76.8. Should I really? Or just make it be 80? Get it over with. Then I don't have enough room to draw anything. Alright, I'm gonna leave that one like that. And then we're gonna create now. I'm gonna do a stick. Stick inventory. Let's hide this one. Actually, I need this color, by the way. Let me grab that. Oops. I messed that up. Let's see. Not drawing in it. I mean, I didn't grab it. I grabbed the empty pixels. Oh, I could draw it on there. Alright, let's see. Alright. I'm gonna make a stick. Just a long line, I guess. That's our stick. I'm gonna fix it in a bit. Just getting the color in. And then so black. Undo that. One line. Oh, that's a stick. And that's not perfect, but that's the point. It's natural stuff, so. Or just read it. I need to copy the yellow from this. Or whatever that color is there. Put it down here. And messed up. Put in chain back to the pen. E. And then I could a bigger and properly. Oops. Pressing the button on the pen. Yeah, this part just messed up right here. Oh, you mean for the pen? Oh yeah, the weight system. Right. Sorry, my brain just went somewhere else. I didn't realize you're talking about the inventory stuff. I kind of like the weight one, but it can be annoying sometimes. If you're playing what's it called? Starfield. It's annoying in that game, but then I figured out it's because you're supposed to upgrade your ship to have to hold more storage. I'm like hours in and then I barely did anything with it. Just put on one part. Back to black here. I'm gonna erase right here. It's kinda too thick. I was thinking it's fine, but just since it's the end, it should probably taper off her. No, it doesn't look like a stick. Do that. I'm gonna leave there. It is, and put this color back. I might use a pencil, so I could get some purple lines. Able to add biomes to the project. Do that. Oh, you mean for like the infinite terrain? It's kind of a weird way. This, I think you have to go by like where the player is in the world, cause you know the number changes, I guess. But trying to think how I would do that. There's ways you could get it to work. Cause if it's infinite, it's I don't think noise maps would work in that case. I'm not sure how you do that, to be honest. Or it depends. Yeah, it would make sense actually. But then the noise maps would have to be like really spaced out and scaled up, so it doesn't, you know what I mean, right? It doesn't look like it's a lot of snow and then summer again every time within a short distance. I'm sure what I mean. I feel like showing you. I don't know why. Pull up a 2D scene really quick, and I could set up a export. I forgot this is not Godot 3. Export or and map, noise map. Then what am I looking for again? Noise texture. I don't want to save that. Wanna yeah, so you see what this is here? You would like scale it really high up. Trying to find the actual, is it fractal? Change this to, yeah, I'm gonna leave that there. You'd probably turn the octaves to 1 maybe. So many times it repeats. And then we need to find where the scale is. Frequency. Maybe it's the frequency, but that's really low. That's the lowest the frequency goes. So that would work. Oh, remember this is the noise map, so as long as you're moving it around. I wish I could show like the huge. I can't get into it now because I'm working on this, but basically this is the offset you'd follow, or make the player be that offset. No Z obviously. But this 0. It's basically the scale. Well, that's one way to do it, but you could do it other ways, to be honest. And like the player would be like a really tiny speck in this area here. So snow and fall. I don't know if Nights Maps is a good idea though. Cause it's gonna be repetitive for a while. Like how would you only have like 2 states, either snow or no snow. Or you could use like the in-betweens for something else, maybe. Yeah, that's pretty much that. Ogre. Not saving anything here. Save. Alright. Go back to this guy. I'm gonna need like fishes too. And I think the stick is fine right now, right? Or not, I don't know. Oh, what I was saying is, should I scale this down to like 80? That's a stick. We're fine here. And then that's good. Should texture the stick too. Give it some light. Lighting, I guess. Let's see how that does. A little bit on the edge. Oops. Alright, I need to fix here. Oh, I don't. Oh, okay. I don't know. I need to fix the color, the outline. I mean, and I need to zoom in some more on this, to be honest. Alright, that should be good. Pressing that button. Such a weird spot. Okay. Good. this a bit more, but erase part of it. So and that's one stick. Can't tell the difference. Alright, what else I need? I need some rocks now. I save this before getting no further. New. Call this rock. Get rock or stone? Let's go with stone. I mean, I need both, right? Stone is tiny. Rocks are huge or bigger. Yeah. Remember, they're all pickups though, so Godot, man. You know what I was thinking too? To combine them. Combine the systems together. So the weight system that you say you don't like, I would combine that with this. I need to move this up. I like the shape, but move it up a bit. There. That didn't affect anything. Alright, I need it to be gray. There. I'll just fill it in for now. And great. Need a darker gray. Texture it. Zoom in. Make this bigger for now. Oh god, that looks like a butt. Undo. Just make... Oh, I shouldn't come so far with this part. Oh, so you mean like the rocks that I'm making, I should make them what are you saying? Like, I'm trying to think how, you know, Elite Dangerous? They have a thing that they do with asteroids where they get weak. So it's like there's nothing in them, and then after a while it comes back again. Kind of a weird system. Alright, I need to draw like some cracks or something in here. That and paint this right here. I mean, it doesn't even matter, to be honest. Like some cracks like this. Alright, let me zoom out and see it looks. Alright. That looks more like a rock than a stone, right? It's more rounded. I probably should shade it some more. Let me get a lighter version of this bit here and down just a tiny bit. Could zoom in again. Paint this whoops version. Messing that up. There and it's bigger. Yeah. Let me zoom out again. 4. Perfect. Doesn't look better. I just need to make the outline a little bit thicker. So let me grab the black again. That's already a tree. And that look terrible. Well, perfect. Small object need to. Oh. Alright, so that's a stone. But seriously, should I scale these down? Thinking it's better to do it than not do it. I don't know. It really doesn't matter, to be honest. Alright, so we have a rock. What else do I need? Oh, tools. Let me make the tools while I'm here. So, axe. The obvious one. And zoom back in. Grab the black. Alright, which way should I have this facing? Like this? I'm just script testing. Should I do it like that or like this? I think I should do it this way, or actually I like this way. Makes more sense, kinda. I'm not using this, I'm just trying to think how it looks. This one, right? Alright, let me do it properly. Oops, I didn't mean to delete the whole layer. What the heck? Godot. I hear that. Did I delete the layer? Alright, so I'm gonna go with the first one. Alright, and then oops, undo. Turn this up a bit. That erase a bit. And this line here. Right. I need to use this one to sharpen it up. Okay. Need to move it in the center. This good and move them there. And then we can paint them. Colors do I need? Be it a lightish, grayish, darkish, blackish. Right here. Just drop it on there. Then brown for the wooden part. Red. Uh, Alright, now we can do some proper painting. Red X. It doesn't have to be red. There's black ones too. And that's the actual color I have in the game already anyways. Black or dark gray. Oh, the tip should be white actually. Or silvery. Alright, let me get a whitish. There. Ready? Let me zoom out and see it looks. Then perfect. It looks. Probably should give it a little bit more for the stick. Darken it. Not the actual, the shading I'm talking, not the actual color. You change this to be darker and paint like back here. All right. Oops. Do that. All right, that should be better. Let me zoom out again. Looks good. What else do I have? I have a knife as well. You hide that one. Do knife. Oh, you know what? I have a spear. Let me do a spear first. Let's save. Need a spear. So the spear, I don't have to do the whole thing. Just the pointy piece and just a piece of stick hanging out. So, alright, where are we? Brush. Back to black. Do something like this. Just going off screen. Off thingy. Whoops. Guess there's a hole. Oh, there it is. I know, I realize I used the wrong color. I need that brown again. Go back on this guy. Grab that color. What am I looking for? That. Add him again. Uh-oh. Alright, let me just paint some so I don't have to do it again. And this button. That's right. Hey. could fill it in now. So, alright. Good. Brush and rest. And grab this to fix the part that I messed up. Should be good. Good. Should be good, right? Let me zoom out a bit. Good, look. Oh, it's fine. I need to fit some color last time. Item and brush. Should probably make a color palette thing. Most of these have similar colors. Fix it. And then need to darken it. Excuse me. All right, now. Oh, I need to fix the back. Weird messed up stuff here. Ah, set up on two. Cancel. I keep going way too far outwards. Ah. Alright, that's it. I ain't changing that again. You never know. Oh crappy, it looks so close. Alright. Hercules? Oh, okay. Yeah, this is just icons though, so you know. Should export all of these I made so far. But log stick, stone, X, spear. What's the next thing? Oh, I need to open up this guy. And game design, inventory, items. So sticks, rocks, sticks, small trees. Oh, I forgot about fish. Rope, water. I'm gonna do water. Oh god, that's more mechanics. I'm gonna need a bucket. Gonna need a bucket. Pebbles, apples. And I don't know why I love this view. I have to do cooking and then this. Alright, I got logs, I got stick, got stone. You just add the items here too. Just weapons, I mean. Add weapons. But just have everything here that I need to make. Not weapons, tools. Tools and weapons, it doesn't matter. Tools and weapons. Weapons. Swear to God. The reason I'm typing crappy is because I have the tablet right in front of the keyboard. Alright, so I got the axe. Oh, pickaxe, I need to get that. So. Got the here. Knife. Fishing rod. What else? So far, 24. Probably. That's overkill. Membrane pocket. Gonna be a classic bucket or some kind of bottle or something. Empty bottle. Kind of a tool. Alright, let's call it bucket. Oops, bucket. Alright, I'm gonna have an empty and a full one. Empty and who knows what's gonna be in it. Uh-oh, my tablet turned off. Did I press the button? Alright. Then what else I need? Ah, that's a good one too. Search. I didn't even make that, to be honest. I need to make it. A very good one. Those. I think that should be it, right? I have a spear, knife. Did I make a cutlass? I think that's what they call it in America, right? We call it cutlass in Jamaica. That's basically a giant knife. Not it's like a cross between a sword and a knife. Kind of. Not really. Light? You mean like... I mean the torch and the light. It's not the same thing. Not really. Or flashlight, maybe. Yeah, this isn't way back. It's just like you're abandoned. So maybe you'd have a light already. Like a flashlight you find on the floor somewhere off the wreckage site. You know what I mean? But the battery's gonna eventually die. So let's put flashlight here for now. Oh, and right here I need batteries too. Batteries, which will die eventually, early in the game. It's gonna be like a how long you can survive type game thing. Do you guys know survival kits? It's a it's an old game for Game Boy Color or just the original Game Boy. I used to love that game. I still have it actually. I have it somewhere in here. I have some bunch of emulators. Oh, not on Linux actually. On Windows OS. Alright, I think that should be that. I can't think of nothing else. Vape, nah. Oh boy. Alright, let me do the pickaxe. So I got the spear, axe, spear, knife. Alright, let me do pickaxe. I should just copy this and bring it over. Actually do that. So let me select all. And not this guy. Copy this and close. Peace. Lair, I guess. Let's call this pickaxe. And I'm gonna rename this one to knife. Alright, so actually I want to finish up the inventory system today, so that's why I'm making some of these. I see some leftovers. Oops. Probably gotta fix that again. Alright, pickaxe. How could I just copy this over? Let's just grab here. Let's do this. Simple. Oh, I messed that up. Simple. That up again. I'm doing it over from the top. Go. Go. All the way back. And there. Sucks. That sucks. Alright, let me relayer. Scale it layer. Scale layer. That should. Oop, didn't want to do that. I wanted to scale the actual canvas. Layer boundary size. Oh. Alright, so go somewhere. I don't like it. It looks terrible. Hold on. Let's drag it out some more. No. Move it over a bit more. Moving the layer or the about there. And I could I know, right? Oh man. I mean, I'm technically redrawn. Not. It's because of the base. I like the base so it looks over, cause kind of the same layout. All right, I delete all that stuff now. And here. I mean, I kind of have to still fix that part. This gotta go. This gotta go. That bit go. Gotta go. This go. Alright. Then I could just get a few of these. Or brush. Oops. Alright, should be good. Right. Up and color. You know what's funny? I'm thinking if I was using what's it called? Sprite, that would take a lot longer. Instead of just painting and getting it over with. You have to be figuring stuff out with the Sprite. But I guess it's good when you want to do animations or something like that, maybe. 8-bit animations. Grab this color. Be good. Oops. Does it look alright? I mean, it doesn't look alright from this. Just alright, way out there. And that's a pickaxe. It doesn't look right. I know it doesn't look right. This side is better than this side. That could get a curve a little bit more. Fine, I'll fix it. Let me fix it. That and oops. That take color size. Bit like that. Yeah, that's more like it. Okay. Then color in. Yeah, soft decent. Working with that. Alrighty. Oh, look at it. Now it's pickaxe. Do the knife real quick. Knife season. There's a knife even. Look. Back. Two. Knife. Watch my knife look terrible now. A knife, what do you want from me? Yeah, this knife looks terrible. Did I use a regular knife? That could be a bit bigger. Undo that. Yeah, this looks alright. I think. I'm gonna delete that. Or remove it. Eraser. Alright, what color do I want for that? I'll go with silver. That's what I did the other part. Then emerald brown for the back. Now what's weird, it looks different on my display than it does on the screen. That might mess with me. Yeah, the colors are darker on the and I can. There's goes my knife. Doesn't look convincing, but it's a free game, so it's gonna stay like that. Yes. Where's it? Erase that bit right there. A bit much. You have a knife. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that as. I need to figure out how to make plugins for GIMP. I think it's Python maybe. What I'll do now is like export layers or something like that. There's a plugin for it, but depending on what version you have, you can do it. Not version, but on Linux it's kind of weird to explain. Yeah, I was thinking about it. Let me do it. I mean, the white or like a darker silver for the top part. Like the top bit. Oops, not that color. Could use that for the actual. Hold on. Right here. This looks kind of good. You can see there. Yeah, I think you can. That looks better. Or not. I don't know. Let's do an inscription. Like what you'd see in the movies or something like that. Turn this sideways and do something like this. Oh, wrong color. Oh, it in black. Still can't see anything, but off. Stop, Soup Master. Yeah. Inscriptions. Alright, let's see what we got so far. We have knife, we got pickaxe, spear, regular axe, got a rock, got these. Here, let me see what else I need. What else do you think I should make before? Oh, fishing rod. Let me do the fishing rod. Uh, hmm. God. Doesn't seem to. Oh yeah. Let's see how it looks in the game again. I've made it for a while now. I did get rid of it, but not then. Oh, it's black. Crap. It's fully black. So should I just make it black? Get it over. Alright, I'm gonna make it black. I do, right? Good catch, cause I probably would notice it after. Tony is black down. Dark. Not that color. I mean, fine, but a little bit dark. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna leave the white. That looks good actually. I'm gonna get rid of the thingy. There. Rid of this. Oh, I just realized the display tab, it changes to the brush by itself if I start brushing. Maybe that's a feature that's in GIMP itself. Exit. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking to do. So I'm thinking to retexture everything anyway, so because I was just using a plain color thing. And now I'm gonna follow the icons over there. Alright, let me do the fishing rod. Right, this guy. Our fishing rod. Should I do it like this? Oops, what am I doing? Should I go like this? Or yeah, with this thing hanging off like that. Or this, the thing hanging like that. That. Kind of like this way. This way, maybe. That way. Straighten it up. Sure. That. And then. Ah. On. Do. Oh. Did I delete that? Alright, I kinda like this way. I think every time I try to do that. It is what it is. Fill it in with the brown. Yellow then. could paint and the rest. No white line. Am I even gonna do that? Am I gonna do a white line? Yeah, I guess it works. I guess that will work. Where I'm sleeping. You put a hook thing on the end here, so at least know it's efficient. But or red. Red. That didn't even look right. And I'll leave it as that. It's efficient, right? I don't like it though. Looks terrible. Let me try darkening it. If I could fix it up a little. Brush. Zoom in a lot more. Yeah, I might thicken this a bit because too small. I might thicken it. Can't even see it, to be honest. Your worm and yo-yo. Oh boy. Worm playing with yo-yos. Oh, else do you draw a stick on a with a piece of rope hanging off of it? Well, remember it's gonna be a bendy stick also. I'm thinking if I should outline the rope. Be weird, but I'll do it. Ooh, my hands are straight with this. As soon as I say it. Ah. Oopsie. Come on. Come on, man. Alright, got it. Alright, go. Unworm. Oh, you mean? Okay. I guess it would be a worm since it's a survival game. You don't have an actual fishing rod in the game. Alright, let me delete. Let me get rid of this part here. It's gonna be a worm. Nah, that's way obvious. Guess the worm would be hanging like this, maybe. I should use the pencil. Does a hook even look like again? Oh, I remember. This. I mean, I can't do much with that. That space. Oh, the J hook. Right, I was thinking about the triple J hook. Erase all this. Also make it big, but then it would be looking cartoony. I could do it cartoony, but be like wink and wink. There, cartoony hook. I don't want it to be more realistic, so it's gonna be tiny. There. Yeah, I might just leave it as that. No worms, just the hook. Might leave it like this. But the worm on it, you can barely even see it anyways. That looks good. Save and alright. I think that should be good for now, right? What am I missing? Knife. Wait, where's the knife? The hell? What happened to the knife? Oh man, looks like I deleted the knife somehow. I mean, let me see if I could load in the knife back. Or not, probably not. Why is the knife gone? Am I blind? Yeah. And I can't go back cause it's gonna delete everything else I did. Dang it. Alright, let me redo the knife. Crap. Make sure save before I even continue. What happened? Oops, D2. Boy. Try doing a knife again. And it's not going. Watch out, it's not going to be cool like before. It's gonna suck now. Oh my god, I started. Oh man. What? Oh yeah. I don't even think it goes that far back though. Alright, let me try it. Delete that. I could just put this on a new thingy. Right, let me select all. Edit. This into copy first. There's a way to paste it into a new spot. Space as new image. There you go. Alright, so go to undo spree. Oh, there it is. Forward. Redo. I went too far back. Alright, I think that's it. Nice. Alright, we're back to it. Make sure save before I even add back the fish rod. Then I copy it. Oh, save a new project. Let me select all of this again. Select all. Copy. I wanna paste it back in though. Make sure I hide that on the fishing rod. And paste in place. Alright. Outlined like that. Oh. I'm gonna grab the mouse because it's driving me crazy with this knife. Layer. Merge down. Alright. Alright, we're good now. So let me save. Oh, that's a thanks for the save, man. Yeah, I didn't even think about it. Oh, far back I could go. I think it uses memory and not really location. I don't know. Let me see. Just interested in seeing what actual sources. Oh, look at that. Maximum undo. Why is it so much? Oh well. I have a lot of memory though. And using all the threads. Alright. Now we're back to business. So what I was saying now, I want to export all of these individually. Oh, I should actually make a background too. On the high school days. Oh man. Man. Where is that? I don't think it's in this one though. In this version. Like we have export as there's a export layers, I think. Or maybe that was Photoshop. I don't remember. Alright, let me look up something really quick. How do I say? Make plugins for GIMP. Oh, there's a video on it. I'm gonna watch this off stream. I know it was Python. I know a little Python, so could probably do. GIMP plugin part 1. Oh boy. Alright, I'm gonna do this off stream. I'm not gonna do that now. Let me do this. Let's just export the log for now, and I did the log already. This guy. Pick. Ugly stick. Export as pick. And then the other one I should do. Let me do the axe as well. I think I need to clean something up on it though. Double check. What is this? Racer. A messy part here. Export this as well. Export as axe. I should have a default, right? That's a placeholder type. Let me make a default icon. Something simple. Or proto. Up top. I might just put some text in it. Replace me or something. And in red, obviously. Tiny. RE. Place. Highlight all of it and oh, that's why it's so large. Look how good the text look in there. It's way more pixels than I need. There. Merge it down. Alright, copy this. Export it. Whoops. Temp. Alright. Whoa. That one. Alright, I'm not going back in this for now, so close that for now. Okay. There's a few things I want to change up. So this guy, oh, I did already set it up. Item template. So I need to set its icon and everything. So in ready, it's the best way to do this. Oops. Set icon name. If name equals nothing, I want to set it to be the regular icon, so let's set it to equal nothing by default. I'm gonna have to replace me here, so pass for now. Then set this to this. Writing this weird. So I need a way to get like all the positions of each icon. The easy way to do it is use a config file. So let's load up a config thingy. Assets. Where is it? Textures. Then UI. Show you how I'm gonna do it. Create text file. Icon on CFG. Icon map. Let's just call it that. Icon map. CFG. Alright, and then in here now I could load it up. Func log. What am I doing? Func ready. The var here. Var icons. Map. I could use a resource for this actually. No, it's kind of an overkill. Config file. Yeah. Config file. Oops. Icons map. Load. Config. All right. I need to set icon. Actually, no. That's just unready. Maybe this is overkill. I should actually do this on the actual grid. Yep, that makes sense actually. Because I don't need to load this every time this is created. Let me move this guy to the HUD. Or the grid, I mean. Ready. Oh. It's a weird place to put it, but icon map. This one. Alright. So whenever I get that guy, I could here one of these back in here. Eat this now. So in the set icons, I need the icons map. On map. Icons map. The config file. Oh. Right. So what's going on here? Cannot have mandatory permit after option. Ah, makes sense. Alright, let's set it to null. If on map equals null, guess I return. It won't have an icon. But I mean, it's kind of stupid that I set this to be null, right? It's required. Dummy boy. Just check if this is null. Just return. I'm thinking how to do this right. Alright, now I need to do a match, or I don't need to do a match. Need to say var icon at equals icon map. Hold on, now I need to set this back to config file so I could actually get the get value. And should I set a section? Why not? Icons. And then string would be the name. And default would be the what would be the path for the replace me icon PNG. Perfect. I don't need to do none of this up here. Forgot it returns a default. Now, what we're gonna do is for load icon equals load icon path. Then we set its texture. Am I on texture? Equals icon. That should work, but let's see what happens. Or I could call this here. Like, no, I can't. Alright, now on the grid, need to set the icon. is it? Where is it? Set data. Alright, let's try that without temp first. Let's say, oh, that's set icon. Set icon. Let's pass in nothing, and then pass in, what is it? The icon map. Icon map. See what happens. So replace me. Perfect. Alright, so I need to scale these down though. Or even go here, go in its parent class and set this to be small. Layout to be scaled to percent, was it 60? Save. And I could try it again. So, alright. I don't even need this to be here anymore. Delete this guy. That was going crazy. Perfect. So grab this guy, move him here. Alright. So now let's try out. Let's do some random things here. Oh, I need to actually set up the icon map too. Now let's do this. So icons, and then we need the x that's equal to x icon. Dang, I can't drag that in. That sucks. Alright, let me do one really quick. Here. And I could just copy that path everywhere. Right. This guy. Then we'll have log. Log. I don't remember if this needs to be a string. Not. I forget. Log icon. Hold on, let me save that and check back to it here. Use user rand. If I equals I less than rand and if the string or s equals nothing, then s equals x, else s equals log. The data and on here. Oh, rand f less than 0.5. Alright, let's see how that works. Beautiful. Alright, so I have a whole bunch of axes, a whole bunch of logs. I still need to fix the grab point really quick. Weird. Grid. I grabbing stuff. Grab mouse. Alright, I'm just mouse. Right. I need to get the offset here. Or times held item. So I think that would do it. I don't know. Let's try it. Should work. Oop. I think it's. I know it's to be minus its size, but. Well. Alright, let's try held item that size 5 by 2. Plus. Oh, minus. Oh, I didn't need to do the Alright, I gotta do some work on that. Don't need to do the size minus 2. I don't think. Wait, that's gonna be worse. Wait, my math isn't matting. Okay, size divided by 4. Let's try and stuff. There you go. Kinda. Don't know why it's 4, but this is great. So I could swap positions, but I want to combine them too. What other items do I have in here? Like, let's grab. Great. Tick. Let's put the temp while we're at it. Psycho. Or just replace me. This me. Temp. Right, that's good. Right. Good. Right. So now I need to actually populate it with the right inventory. So I'm gonna delete all these. Let me see if it's a good idea. Best place to do this. Or I and get children. That. Thinking where to do this right. So inventory slot item index. Yada yada yada. Huh. Okay, so we're gonna do it by inventory. So inventory. Let's put inventory. Entry. Okay. Then we say if inventory that has or inventory slot empty something inventory slots here empty, that is empty. I probably should make a function for this, whatever. If it's empty, I want to continue, and else I want to get the item. So where is this guy at? The child. The item, the instant. I'm doing this the right way now, so item instantiate. Affected by entered. Okay, that's important for the slots itself. Move this out here. And do another for loop here. For I in entry slots. Oh, get children. Get children. Don't think I need anything else there. And I could. Don't need no random count. Actually, let me keep that so I could see what's going on. Entry slot item. Oh, okay. Not too big a deal. That data. That. Okay. Oh, I need to do that as well. Wondering if I'm doing something wrong here. Post not declared in the currency. Oh. So need to get its item. So else for item equals inventory dot in slots I. Okay, so I need to set data name here. I wonder if I'm overkilling this. I could just make this one function actually. Alright, let's go with item name. Yeah, I could do that actually. An item quantity. Then I could just pass the icon map here. Icon map. Yeah, that should be good. And set icon I could call from inside the set data. Let's go back to item. Where is it? Item. Where is it? Alright, set data, then pass in the icon map here. Just copy this. Or just call set icon. Just do that right there, and then pass the item name and icon map. I should do the same thing. What is this item? Oh, that's the actual. Alright, let me close everything else. Close all other tabs. But to be open and icon. Do I? Dot item. Alright. Let's wait for that. Alright, so now we need to actually go back in the inventory Inventory. Put some items in here for now. So we have a stick. A copy. Let's type it out. Just keep this on the same line. Just copy this guy. One axe. Or 2 sticks, why not? Then we have a copy this. We have a pickaxe. And 1 pickaxe. What else did I have in here? That's it. Here's UI. Oh, I didn't put in the pickaxe. Let me export it. Does X oh. Alright, that's the last one I'm exporting for now. I need to throw that in here. And X. Hold it. Right. What else did I have in here? Got the jump. X. Oh, log. Alright, let me add 2 logs. Copy this guy. And paste him here. Log. 2 log. Got 4. Alright. See how that looks. So we'll just back to the grid. Delete all this random that I was doing. Demonstrate. But item. Don't need to do any of that anymore. Do need to set its position now. Crap, messed that up. Invention. Oh. On something from here. Here it is. Get. Place it here. It's not gonna work, but I just need it. I do a chat. Let's go back here. I might have did the wrong thing up here actually. So instead of yeah, I don't need this. So instead of this, I got name. So that's the ID for this slot. Then I do this stuff. That's perfect. Then I add the child here. Item equals item. I don't need this actually, but I.item this. Now I could delete this, I think. But set slot item. That's not it. I'm gonna delete that function too. Go back in the inventory. Where am I set slot item? Inventory slot. I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna leave that for now. Let me test this out and see if it works. Probably won't, but Those index 0 on base dictionary. Okay. Entry slots index 0. Why is that an error? Oh, the actual string to int. I don't know how to again. Integer. I kind of hate that, but oh well. Or I could just rename the slots to strings, make my life easier. Inventory slots I X I on. Oh. Name int. I didn't do that nowhere else. Go. Alright. That worked perfectly. That's it for the stream. Alright, let's see how this looks so far. I need to change this up too. Whoops, that would crash. Change anything there yet? Alright guys, I'm gonna jump off now. Good stream. So I got this thing working, so now it's checking the inventory. So what I need to do now is update it whenever I move stuff around. See if that won't work, but just try it just in case. So whenever I move this, so this slot's supposed to have the item that were in this slot. I'm gonna need to change it up. I could either print them out. Let me see if it's actually doing anything. Right here, slot selected. So if I'm holding an item, I'm picking it up. And if I'm not, if I am holding an item, and if it has an item, I swap it out. Doesn't, or else empty. I want to print the inventory here. Inventory. But inventory slots. A lot to print, but oh, I could print the actual index instead. Do that. So where does item ID, slot ID? Do that. I think it's gonna be always empty though. But okay, it's empty. I need to update that. I'll do that off stream. Oh, it's killing me. Alright guys. Here, see you in a bit.